In this video, we are going to discuss about factor theorem. What is factor theorem? A polynomial px is divided by x minus a if and only if p of a is 0. If a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, p of a should be equal to 0. Suppose if polynomial px is divided by x plus a, then p of minus a should be equal to 0. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 8 by using factor theorem. Here you have to take the polynomial px is x cube minus 8. You have to check if x minus 2 is a factor or not. So how can you check? By using factor theorem. If px is divided by x minus 2, p of plus 2 should be equal to 0. Let us check p of 2 value. So 2 cube minus 8. It is 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. So when p of 2 is 0, according to factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor. This is how you have to prove. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Let the polynomial is px. Px is 2x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 6x square minus 11x minus 6. You have to check if x minus 1 is a factor or not. According to factor theorem, if x minus 1 is a factor, p of 1 should be equal to 0. Let us check if it is equal to 0 or not. P of 1 is 2 into 1 to the power of 4 plus 9 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square minus 11 into 1 minus 6. That is 2 plus 9 plus 6 minus 11 minus 6. 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 6 minus 11 minus 6. Plus 11 minus 11 cancels, plus 6 minus 6 cancels, it is 0. So when p of 1 is 0, x minus 1 is a factor of px. Show that x minus root 2 is a factor of 7x square minus 4 root 2x minus 6. Let px is equal to 7x square minus 4 root 2x minus 6. You have to prove that x minus root 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So, to prove that x minus root 2 is a factor, you have to prove that p of root 2 is 0. Let us find p of root 2. So now you have to substitute root 2 in place of x. So 7 into root 2 square minus 4 root 2 into root 2 minus 6. Let us find this. 7 into root 2 square is 2 minus 4 into root 2 is 2 minus 6. That is 14 minus 8 minus 6. It is 14 minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. It is 0. So when p of root 2 is 0, according to factor theorem, x minus root 2 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus 9x square plus x plus k, find k. Here it is already given that x minus 1 is a factor. So by using factor theorem, you should find the value of k. Let us take p of x is 2x cube plus 9x square plus x plus k. It is given that x minus 1 is a factor. According to factor theorem, if x minus 1 is a factor, p of 1 is going to be 0. So p of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 9 into 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So this is 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus k is 0. This implies 12 plus k is 0. This implies k is equal to minus 12. If x minus 4 is a factor of this polynomial, find a. Let the polynomial is px 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus a. X minus 4 is a factor. According to factor theorem, if x minus 4 is a factor, p of 4 is going to be 0. So equate p of 4 to 0 to find the value of a. So 2 into 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 18 into 4 plus a is equal to 0. So this is 2 into 4 cube, it is 64, minus 3 into 4 square is 16, minus 72 plus a is 0. So this implies 128 minus 48 minus 72 plus a is equal to 0. This implies 128 minus 48 minus 72, it is minus 120 plus a is 0. This implies 8 plus a is 0. A is equal to minus 8. Polynomial px is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2. Find a and b. So the polynomial px is divisible by x minus 1 and divisible by x minus 2. You have to find the value of a and b. According to factor theorem, when px is divided by x minus 1, p of 1 should be equal to 0. So p of 1 means 1 cube minus 10 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is 0. It is 1 minus 10 plus a plus b is 0. So minus 9 plus a plus b is 0. So a plus b is equal to 9. You have got one equation. Now px is divisible by x minus 2 also. So p of 2 should be equal to 0. What is p of 2? It is 2 cube minus 10 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 0 by factor theorem. So 8 minus 10 into 2 square is 4, that is 40 plus 2a plus b is 0. 8 minus 40, it is minus 32 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So 2a plus b is equal to 32. Now you have got two linear equations. A plus b is 9, 2a plus b is 32. Now you have to solve these two equations for getting a and b. So these are the two equations you have got. By solving these two equations, you can get the values of a and b. So 2 minus 1 implies 2a minus 8 is a, b minus b is 0, 32 minus 9, it is 23. You have got a value 23. Now substitute a value in the first equation. So 23 plus b is 9. Then b is equal to 9 minus 23. So that is minus 14. So you have got a is 23, b is minus 14.